Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make your very own vinaigrette at home. You know the basic one has a 3:1 ratio between the oil and the acids, but mine has a 2:1 ratio and some added stuff that will make it taste a lot better. And plus it will be healthier than the industrial ones. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can substitute the vinegar with lemon juice, the sugar with honey or maple syrup, the mustard with mayo or tahini, and use any oil you'd like. The process is quite simple. Take a glass jar or any canister you've got and combine everything together. The order isn't really important. Seal it tight and shake. You'd want it to combine properly before using it. Kenny, don't check it off, we can't afford the royalty payment. Now get over here, Kenny. The other way. And there you have it. You can use it as a salad dressing or as a marinade. Comment down below and tell me how you liked my vinaigrette. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!